Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to delete your Tinder account. Keep in mind that once you delete your account, it cannot be recovered, and you will need to open a new account if you decide to return. Now, to start. Open the Tinder application on your mobile device. On the main page, click on the human icon located at the bottom right. In your profile page, find and click on Settings at the top right. Scroll down, and at the bottom, you will come across the Delete option. Click on it. Tinder will present you with two choices: either take a break by pausing the account or proceed to delete it permanently. Choose Delete Account if you want to continue with the deletion process. Next, select a reason for deleting your Tinder account. Pick any reason that aligns with your decision. Again, pick a reason that aligns with your first reason. After selecting a reason, click on Continue Deletion. Here, confirm your decision by clicking on Delete My Account and be patient. It will take some time to load. Tinder has a 90-day delay in the deletion process, allowing you time to reconsider. During this period, if you wish, you can log in and create a new profile. And there you have it. You have successfully initiated the process to delete your Tinder account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.